Hello everyone, today in this video I would like to continue our fight against the advanced character of our world around us, and this time we will discuss one thing that recently was again too famous in mainstream media. I mean, it was artificially made famous, so-called ChatGPT. So again, algorithm or a set of algorithms that one asks the question, and this algorithm using some databases of texts, most likely almost entire internet or at least huge chunk of it, gives you some random answer, some random answer in the form of text. Of course, as every algorithm, it works quite well on the examples on which it was trained, or very similar examples to these examples. But if something is far from the examples on which this algorithm was trained, of course the result is all complete garbage. And even if the algorithm works on the examples on which it was trained, human being, so not AI, not artificial intelligence, but NI, so natural intelligence, needs to check on that. That's why I do not see such algorithms as a threat, algorithms themselves. But what I see as a threat and problem is blind use of this algorithm by people without any criticism. And we know that majority of human beings, it's our nature, tends to be lazy and always push back the job that we have to do from ourselves and put it on someone or something else. So this is the threat, and I see it already among my students that use this bot or similar bots, I would say, I call it bot, or a group of algorithms to generate their thesis or the reports. With using this equipment I have no problem as long as the things are checked. And the thing is that if you generate this text with this algorithm and you work on that, it's still fine. But the problem is if you generate this text and only generate it and you don't work on it. Because if you generate it and work on that, it saves some of your time. It's fine with me, but there should be always an input of natural intelligence on it. If there is none, then it's a problem. And another issue with this algorithm is, of course, our favorite group of managers of big corporations and the owners that are disconnected from it, and their greed. Of course, each opportunity to reduce employment and reduce cost, they will use and abuse, and this is the problem that they use they use any opportunity to use it to reduce costs, and they are blind with this, and they really don't know that they don't want to know that it has its own limitations. And this is the threat we will need to face, because costs reduction, cost of work, cost of production reduction, it's one thing, but each reduction comes from the drawback. And if we rely blindly on the algorithms that are only good on this what they were trained for, and any deviation from this results in complete failure from their side. And there is also another issue that we don't know the real code with which these algorithms were written, because it's patented, it's secret, it's closed, it's not freely accessible. So we really don't know what these algorithms are doing, and that's why succumbing freely to the outcome of this algorithm from AI, it's a very huge mistake that many people can do. And the outcome, of course, will be as always when people go into blindness, fanaticism and stupidity, will be catastrophic. That's why we need more natural intelligence, not artificial one. And even if we use artificial one, that I have nothing against, we need to use natural one to control it. That's why nothing and never will replace human being in doing his or her job. All the best, have a nice day, bye.